Should have just kept rolling my film. Just saw a guy pop his head up and look at me and then duck back down. So, somebody's home here. A different stone. Oh no, they flipped it over. Did you guys just flip it over? No, this is a different stone. Walking in the jungle. Walking in the jungle. What are they doing here? Has that always been pushed together like that? This tree is tippy tipping. This one. Oops, spider in the face. Okay, let's look around. See anybody leaving me lighters, combs, stuff like that? Not this time. So I am just looking around. This is one of the favorite spots for them to come and, I don't know, peek at me. I didn't realize that these were being mashed. You know, this is something that's, and this is much lower than it was. Okay, right? So is this just, they're just pushing on this baby? Okay. Yeah, because this was like way higher before. This is so close to me now. And that's back in there, one of their favorite spots to sneak up and peek at me. And I'm gonna just zoop-de-doo. Nahaleo! Nahaleo! Okay. I just heard somebody run. Okay, the crows are here. They've all come to join me. Somebody's moving around back in there. And dude stood up from here, somewhere in here, and peeked out at me through there. I swear I can hear some grouse. Weird. I didn't know we had grouse down in here. Man, they've made short business of this big tree here by shoving it. See that? That was not like that. Oh, did you hear that sound? I'm getting out of here. Okay, no, it's a jet. Yikes. Sounded like somebody roaring. So I always find this strange when I find a bunch of leaves, like green leaves, not the dead ones, the green ones, all laying down. It's like, who's making a collection? Crow, crow. strange it is in here today. Feels weird. Okay, kids, well, I'm just coming in and briefly checking to see what I've missed out on these last few weeks. It's so beautiful in here. How strange. This little thing, this changes up all the time. What have they done here now? Is this growing here? Okay.